Carson, thanks a lot for coming
Hey
in
man,
today.
thanks for having me.
I
Yeah,
appreciate it. I
yeah.
appreciate it.
Great office you guys have here.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah,
You've been a part of it. You
yeah,
know, you
thank
helped
you.
get this picture done.
Yeah, thanks to my wife's sister painted this.
Yeah, it
Shout
looks.
out to Stephanie Black.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, it looks really good. I know you're prone to accidents and you're clumsy and you make mistakes, right? No, or
Yes, I mean my wife would say
a little
that.
bit. So let's take that into consideration about plumbing. Like, what are some close calls that could have ended up really bad for you?
Yeah, I mean I other than like all the like scratches and cuts and like I've never really had like a crazy one, but
Mm-hmm.
the one that was like probably the scariest for me, and even still to this day I don't wear a lot of safety glasses, and I should. I only got the one eye that works really good. I got kind of half an eye over here.
That's probably why you have so many accidents, is because you can't see.
Yeah, for
Right?
sure.
Yeah.
Everything, yeah, comes down to having 1.5 eyes. Anyways,
Yeah.
so I was soldering, actually I was de-sweating a fitting, and I can't remember exactly what, it was quite a while ago, but there was a bunch of flux around it, and I was like hammering on it. I think my brother was there helping me. Like we couldn't get this fucking piece of pipe out.
Yeah.
Hammering on it, and like I think we were dousing it in flux to try to, I don't remember. I think it was like a second year. I wasn't very good at my job back then.
Right.
And
not much has changed.
yeah,
Really.
thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
Yeah.
I splashed hot flux, like burning hot flux, into my good eye.
Yeah.
And first thing that I thought was like, if I go blind in this good eye, I'm fucked for life. Like I can barely see out of my left eye. So my brother hands me his water bottle, and I just started fucking just dumping the water on my eye, and that was it.
Man, my question for you, Carson, is who allowed you to handle the torch?
Well, like that day, my brother.
I mean, I feel like that, like your brother probably should have been doing that. I don't know if I trust you now. That's all we have time for, though, Carson. Thanks a lot for joining us today. I appreciate it. Yeah, thank you.